Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Once again I am here. You are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. Today in my video I am going to share with you actually all the times all the person have a problem because when we start speaking English, so that times people laugh at us. Actually all the learner are facing this problem. As a learner, as a beginner, you are learning English, you face this problem. Okay, so I think this is a common thing. Initially day it happens when you start, so that times people laugh at you. Definitely please stop saying anything who are laughing at you. Only try to speak English because you want to be fluent English, and don't miss any opportunity which is giving. So please avoid all the people who are making the fun at you. Actually all the learner have a problem. Okay, all the learner are facing this problem. Or when I decided to learn English, so that times people laugh at us. Actually I can't handle because i I am losing my confidence. I am losing my confidence. So how to improve my communication skill, how to start speaking English with other person? So today in my video I am going to tell you, please let them do. First of all, I would like to tell you, let them do, let people laugh at your broken English. Actually, you are learner, you are improving your communication skill. So that's why you are here, you are learning English. You are not perfect. You are not good at English. So that's why you are learning English. And definitely you will make the mistake. Let them do. Actually, people have to work to say. So why are you thinking something like this? People laugh at us. Actually, when you start speaking English, so that time focus on your speaking English. Okay, you should be focus on your speaking English. Don't care about any person. Only focus on your speaking English. Please don't say anything to them who are making them fun at your broken English. Okay, don't argument with them. Your focus on your speaking English because you want to be fluent English, you want to be perfect in English. So that's why you are here, you are learning English. Otherwise, why are you learning English? Why do you learn English? Actually you have something to learn English, so that's why you are learning English. Please keep the pay attention to learn English. Okay, please avoid all things is people talking about you. Only focus on your speaking English. If you want to get any opportunity, please don't miss any opportunities. That opportunities is very good for improving English. When you start speaking English with other person, you should be focus on your speaking English because this times I am speaking English, I am perfect, I can speak English very well. Actually initially day it happens. If you are learner, definitely you will make the mistake. Mistake is common thing. Even native speaker make the mistake. So why are you thinking something like this, that you are perfect? You are not perfect, you are learner. Okay, you are learning English, but you will be definitely perfect in English when you have the hard work a lot. So definitely you will be improved. And don't stress in your mind. Only speaking, only speaking on your improving English. Actually when we start speaking English. I am facing this problem, okay, but this times I am trying to speak English in English because I want to be perfect in English. I don't care any person but people think about me. I don't care. Actually, my aim is improving my communication skill because I want to be fluent in English. I want to get everything who want. So why are you thinking? Let them do. Okay, people have work to do. Yeah, let them do your work. Only improving English, so that's why you are learning English. Okay, please take the step. Go ahead for improving English and don't miss any opportunities. I know I am facing this problem. This times I am making, I am speaking with you. I can speak English well and I don't care any person when it comes to speak English. So that times I get stuck because of broken English, because this times I am making the mistake. People are making fun at me. So how to improve, how to start speaking English? I don't care every person, but this times I am trying to speak English with other person slowly, and definitely I will be improved, I believe. Okay, I know I am making the mistake. I am not perfect. My pronunciation, my vocabulary, my grammar is not perfect. But in spite of this, I will be improve my communication skill. Grammar is not important. Okay, important is only speaking and listening when you are alone at your home. So that time you have to have a lot of practice and you have to listen more video. There are so many video on YouTube. You can check, you can watch, you can apply this video. Okay, so definitely you will be improved. And another thing I would like to say, please don't argument with them who are making who are making fun at your broken English, and say them who are making the fun at your broken English. Actually, I am learning English, so that's why I am here. Okay, at least I am learning. Okay, I am not shy. Okay, I am not ashamed because I am learning English. Even native speaker make the mistake. Why am I thinking about any person? Because this times I am making the mistake. Why do you hesitation? Okay, only try to speak English, and this is your aim and you have to achieve. Without mistake, you can't achieve your goal. Mistake is common thing. Okay, please don't afraid of making the mistake. All the person afraid of making the mistake. This times I am making the wrong and I am being insulted. Why are you comparing with other person? That person is good, I am not good. That person good than me. That person that person is speak English very well, I am not good. Why are you comparing? Okay, believe on yourself. Definitely you will be improved, provided that you have to work, you have to hard work a lot. So then you will be definitely improved. Okay, so please don't think about any person. Only try to speak English and let them do, let people laugh. Your aim only improving English, so that's why you are here. You are learning English and focus on your speaking English. Focus on your aim. Who want? So in the end, I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually your comment and your like is very important for me, so please do the comment and do the like. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.